Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am Dhruv Sharma. In this video, we are going to learn about the different types of networks. There are 5 major different types of networks, which are PAN, LAN, CAN, MAN and WAN. So first, we are going to learn about the PAN. PAN is personal area network. So personal area network. So basically, it has a range of between 1 to 100 meter, and I also did the area is within a room. Okay. So if the range is small, then the transmission speed will be high. So we can say range, okay, is inversely proportional to transmission speed. Okay, we can also say that. And the ownership is private. Only one individual or one user can use this network. And the last one is the maintenance is obviously low. Okay. Now we go to the second one. Second one is LAN. LAN is local area network. The local area, like an area within an office or a building, office or apartment or a building is an example of a local area network. So the range is up to 2 kilometers. We can, if it is in within a room, it covers only 2 kilometers. Okay, and the transmission is also high because the range is obviously, we can say, the range is small, like, okay. Now we use Ethernet and Wi-Fi in a computer, like we can say, the all the computer net in the offices, the from a boss cabin to a employer cabin, there is a 2 kilometer of ranges. We use Wi-Fi to transfer the data. Okay. Now the ownership is also private, and the maintenance is easy. Maintenance is not that much high. It is easy. We all use Wi-Fi and a Bluetooth also. So you can also write that we use LAN and PAN. And now going to the third one, CAN. CAN is campus area network. So as the campus is there, the campus is basically university. For an example, Rajasthan University, or we can say Jaipur National University. So there are different types of university. They use basically campus area network. So the technology uses Ethernet. They use Ethernet in their university for the transmission of data. It covers basically 1 to 5 kilometers. They have a range of 1 to 5 kilometers, and the transmission speed is also high, not that much high as compared to the panel lane. And the ownership is private, and the maintenance is like moderate, not that much high or not that much low. Okay. Now on the fourth one, fourth one is MA and MAN, which is Metropolitan Area Network. The metropolitan basically the metro area. We can say like within a city, like in a Mumbai, the cities are Mumbai, Delhi, and so these are the metropolitan area. So here they use the MAN network. Okay. So their technology, they are use CDDI and ATM. Okay. So the range is between 5 to 50 kilometers, and they have both private and a public ownership. It can be used by publicly also, it can be used as a privately also. Okay. Now the maintenance of because the range is high, so the maintenance is also high. Okay. So we can also say that the range, okay, if the range is high, so the maintenance is also high. I denote M for a maintenance. Okay. So maintenance is also high. Now the last one is WAN. WAN is wide area network. The name suggests wide, matlab the range is too large, or in a large amount. There is a large amount nahi becomes so sorry amount nahi, in a larger network. There is a large network. So they use basically technology lease line and a dial-up. Lease line is like a connection within the countries. Like we can, for an example, a lease line is used by the Airtel Jio company. Okay, and they have a range of, I told you, 50 above 50 kilometers. But the range is so high, so the range is also high, so the maintenance is also high. Okay, and if the maintenance is high, is inversely when the maintenance is high, the transmission speed is low. So you can also compare all this. I forgot to say that the transmission speed of the MAN Metropolitan Area Network is average. It's like a moderate, we can say it is. Okay. So and the wide area network can be used publicly and privately. I give you an example of Airtel and Jio. So we both use as a private also, and public they use publicly network also. Okay. So that's all the point you can write in a theory. These types of networks are going in come in an exam as a theory part. So this is enough for your exam point of view. So in the next video we are going to like learn about the oversight model, the layers, physical layer, and the different types of layers. Okay, goodbye.